JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. If you ever thought about starting a business or wanted to own your own business or set your own schedule, we've got a great product, a great business opportunity for you. First of all, we are not a franchise, so there's no ongoing fees or a thing of that nature. It's a low cost startup. It's basically a consulting type thing. We sell you our manual, operations manual, instruction manual, how to clean, etc., etc. Carpet cleaning is a very high profit, low investment business. So if you've considered or entertained the idea of looking into getting into any kind of business, we highly recommend you look at carpet cleaning, specifically VLM, or what they call very low moisture carpet cleaning, which has nothing to do with the truck mount. Truck mounts are very expensive. There's a lot of upfront and ongoing expenses with the truck mount. Our process, like I said, it's a low moisture process, commonly known as VLM. So it's not hot water extraction. Getting into it is a lot less expensive. The equipment lasts a really long time. We have a lot of success with our citrus-based cleaner that's not soapy, it's not foamy. So you're not loading up your customer's carpet with soap and water and causing all kinds of problems that we actually run into. So if this is something you're interested in, please reach out to us. Again, my name is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. We have a special offer for veterans. If you're a veteran, we automatically give you half off of our cost to put you in the business as a thank you for the veterans who have done what you've done, sacrificed everything you've done to represent and represent our country and our flag. And we can't express our appreciation, and giving you half off is just a small token. We would love to help veterans get into this business, or firefighters, or anybody looking to start a part-time business with full-time pay. This is certainly a great way to do that with, like I said, a very low upfront and cost or investment. The equipment is not as nearly expensive. We do give you a list of all the equipment that you need or that we recommend, as well as the products that we use. The operations manual, the most important thing about it is the marketing aspect. Cleaning carpet is not very difficult, especially if you're using VLM. But more importantly, if you can't get your phone to ring, then you can't survive. You can't make any money, and you end up going out of business, like a lot of carpet cleaners do. So, like I said, if you're interested or even ever entertain the idea, we're happy to answer your questions. My direct number is 404-500-9853. Again, that's 404-500-9853. Obviously, you can find us on the web at omgfloorcare.com. We certainly appreciate you watching and hope you have a great day. And remember, Mondays don't suck. It's probably your job.